Today we're in the tiny house looking at a hinge adjustment toolkit. In this video, we're going to show you what comes in the package and show you how it works and what it's designed to fix. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are our own. You're going to have 4 different sizes for whatever size hinge you need, and then you'll have an extender handle that will give you additional leverage. It does come in a nice hard shell carry case.
I do like that. It's a solid piece of metal. Lots of solid here. Looks like a good weld there to hold that on. Put that in there. That's for your leverage. Screw that down real good. You know, so far in maybe an inch or so at the most, just to catch it. Then if you got a gap up top and it gets skinny at the bottom, you can adjust this over, and then that fixes your gap issues.
As an example, see, this gap is very small, but as we go up, it gets much wider till we get to the top. That's what these tools are designed to correct. You need to find the correct size. These are labeled with the sizes on them. And then you're going to slide it over the hinge like so, and then you just pull out on it. I'm going to let the contractors do this, but this is what this tool is designed to do.